staff across all services in Ceredigion have stepped up to keep each other, communities and Ceredigion safe. They've adapted the way they work. They've volunteered to undertake different service duties. They've learnt new skills. They've really gone the extra mile.
We help people connect to their communities and what matters to them. They may be an elderly person wanting help to live independently at home, or an unpaid carer needing support, or a family looking for childcare. We worked with volunteers and local businesses during the pandemic to source a local food delivery network and to help people get their essentials at home, like prescriptions.
Deep cleaning sessions and extra PPE equipment helped us to continue delivering an essential service safely. I saw firsthand how video chats helped our residents to keep positive. And now that we have visitor pods, we're continuing to keep families connected.
The pandemic has badly affected the mental and emotional well-being of people of all ages and backgrounds. It has been important that our service continues to offer support to those in need, and we are proud to work with others in order to make a positive difference to people's lives.
We were under pressure with staffing, and we were delighted to have volunteers through the COVID redeployment scheme. Not only did they learn very quickly, but they became valuable members of the team and got on really well with the residents.
I was studying for my GCSEs when the pandemic hit. The school gave me a laptop so I could keep up to date with my work. I saw my classmates and teachers online every day and felt connected to everyone, even though I wasn't in the classroom.
Additional Learning Needs staff stayed in regular contact with pupils and parents through digital learning platforms and through phone calls to ensure that we dealt with any wellbeing concerns in a timely manner.
Even though I'm still working from home with just the cat for company, myself and the rest of the customer contact centre are here to listen and to help with any inquiries.
After receiving a grant and a relief in business rates, we were able to keep our business in Tregaron going.
We, the finance team, made sure that thousands of individuals received financial support through the carers allowance and the self-isolation payments. We also arranged agency staff and PPE equipment to help keep care provider services running.
The Carers Break in a Box was to remind unpaid carers that they're not alone and we're here to support them with advice and information.
$4,000 food vouchers and bank payments were provided to support pupils receiving free school meals when they were working from home. Children's health and well-being is a key priority for us.
The Walking for Wellbeing group kept me active through the lockdown. I lost weight, I feel better. Thank you very much.
Our team of council officers and local contractors worked together for the sake of our community to create 3 NHS field hospitals in the space of 3 weeks.
Being able to click and collect from the local library meant a lot to our members. Being able to escape into a book and try and forget about the lockdown. Also, many of our members started to use our e-resources. This enabled them to download e-books and e-audiobooks in the comfort of their own home.
I'm very proud of the commitment Team Ceredigion have made to keep our essential services going.